Have you ever been given a text file that looks like this and you need to convert it into Excel, but you just don't know how to do it? Well, I'm going to show you how. My name is Michael Chung. So the first step is, from Excel, we need to open the file. So what we do is we go File, we go Open, and then we need to select the file. So from here I go Browse, and then I select the file. So this is the name of my file, and then I select Open. So when I select Open, it opens up a text wizard, and it looks like this. So once we open the file, Excel brings up a text import wizard, and this text import wizard is a 3-step thing. So this first screen is step number 1. So what Excel wants to know is what type of file it is that we're opening. So if we look at the file, we can see that it's a comma delimited file because there's commas separating each of the fields. So here we can select the limited, which is already selected for us. In the middle part of the screen, it's asking us which rows we want to import. So 99% of the time, it's always going to be the first row. We're going to start from row number 1. So we can see here, we'll leave it at row number 1. And it's asking, does our file have any headers? So we can see here that it does have headers. Our headers are product, price, and units. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this box here saying it does have headers. Okay, so that's step number 1 done. We select next. Now we're up to step number 2. So in step number 2, it's wanting to know what's separating each of the fields. So we can see here that it's commas selecting the field. So we select comma, and then we uncheck tab. Okay, so Excel's done a great job here already. It's separated it by product, price, and units. Okay, so now we go to step number 3. So step number 3, it's wanting to know what format each of these columns are. So we can see here that the first one's probably going to be text. The second one will probably be a price, and the third one is just sort of like numbers because these are units. So here we can select what we want, but we're quite limited to what the options are. So most of the time what I do is I just leave it at general, and if we leave it at general, we can change it later. Okay, so we select finish. Here we can see Excel's done a great job for us. It's put our text document into 3 separate files, which is great because this is what we need for our stock details, but the formatting isn't quite right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to widen the first column. I'm going to change the formatting of the price to dollars and cents. So if I click on the little comma here, and the unit looks okay. So that's it. That's importing the file from text to Excel. Let me know in the comments if you've got any issues, or if you have a better way of doing it. I'd like to know as well. Thank you very much for listening.